Want to start trading on Deriv but don't know how to set up your account and connect to MT5? Don't worry. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to create your Deriv account, set up Deriv MT5, and explain all the important MT5 components so you can start trading like a pro. Let's get started. On this episode we will cover the followings. Creating your Deriv account. How to connect Deriv account to MotorTrader 5. Downloading and log in to MT5. Understanding MT5 component. And risk management.
If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss expert insights that can boost your trading game.
Creating your Deriv account. First, let's create a Deriv account. Go to video description and click affiliate link. Now, you need to enter your email. Here, enter your email address and click create account. If you have a Google, Facebook, or Apple account, you can also sign up using those options. Next, check your email for a verification link from Deriv. Click on it to activate your account or copy URL's link and paste on your browser tab. Let's just click verify my email. Now select your country of residence. Make sure you select correct country. They will need proof of address later. Click next. Now, choose a strong password. Make it 8 to 25 character long. At least one uppercase letter and one lowercase letter. And at least one number. Then click create password. You will see all specifications has green tick that indicate you choose a strong password. Congratulations. You now have a Deriv account. Next, let's set up your trading platform. Deriv created your demo account right after you complete registration. Now you can complete your profile and verify your account by click on complete my profile, or you can complete later. On this episode we skip this step and click go to demo. They send email to confirm your demo account is ready with $10,000. Now you can start demo trading or create real account. If you're new in Forex market, I suggest to start with demo account. Click on start demo trading. You'll be redirected to the Deriv dashboard. Click on login. Enter your email and password you created earlier. If you used Google, Facebook, or Apple account to sign up, just click on it. Congratulations, now you're in Deriv dashboard. Now, to trade efficiently, you need to connect your account to MT5. Here's how. From the Deriv dashboard, scroll down, go to MT5. You'll see different account types. Standard account. For trading CFDs on derived and financial instruments. Financial account. For trading Forex, commodities, and stocks. Swap-free account. For swap-free CFDs on selected financial and derived instrument. Zero spread account. For zero spread CFDs on financial and derived instrument. Gold account. For trading opportunities on popular precious metals. For this tutorial, let's select the standard account. You can also select financial account. Click on get, and set a password for your MT5 account. This password is different from your Deriv login, so make sure to save it. Once the account is created, click open. You'll see your MT5 login ID and server details. Keep this information safe because you'll need it to log into MT5. Now, let's download the MT5 platform. To trade on MT5, you need to download the platform. Go to MetaTrader5.com, click download, and install it on your PC or mobile device. Once installed, open MT5. Click on File. Log in to Trade Account. Now, enter your MT5 login ID from Deriv. Your MT5 password. And select the correct server, for example, Deriv Demo, since we log in with demo account. Click OK, and you'll be connected to Deriv MT5. If everything is correct, you should see live price movements and charts. Now that we're inside MT5, let's explore the most important components. 1. Market Watch Panel. Click on File, New Chart. You'll see the list of trading assets, including Forex pairs, commodities, and synthetic indices depends on which account you open from Deriv. Click on any asset to open its price chart. 2. Chart window. At the center, you have the chart window, where you can analyze price movements using different time frames, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, or even daily chart. Each candle represent full day depends on time frame you select. Now, right-click. Go to Properties to modify chart window by changing background color, candlestick's color, removing grids and adding period separator. You can also customize your charts with technical indicators like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and RSI. Just click Insert Indicators and select your favorite tools. Now let's add toolbars for shortcut like time frame, line studies and standard bar. Three. Toolbox panel. At the bottom, we have the Toolbox panel, which includes several important tabs. Trade tab shows open positions and pending orders. History tab displays closed trades and account performance. News tab provides financial news updates. Mailbox tab receives important messages from Deriv. 4. Order execution panel. To place a trade, go to the top and click New Order. Here, you can enter trade volume, lot size, stop loss and take profit levels, order type, market execution or pending order. Once everything is set, click buy or sell, and your trade will be placed. You can adjust take profit or stop loss even after you placed order. Before you start trading, let's talk about risk management. Here are 3 key tips to protect your money. 1. Always set stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk. 2. Never risk more than 2 or 5% of your capital per trade. 3. Avoid emotional trading. Stick to your strategy. When you're done trading, make sure to log out to keep your account secure. Simply go to File, Exit, or log out manually from the terminal. And that's it. You now know how to create a Deriv account, connect to MT5, and understand the key components of MT5. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future trading tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.